A shortcut through the universe, science fiction, right? Not exactly. Einstein's theories allow for it. A bridge through space-time, a wormhole. In theory, you could cross a galaxy in an instant. But there's a catch. A big one. They're violently unstable. They collapse the moment they form. To hold one open, you'd need something that might not even exist, exotic matter with negative energy. So are they real? Maybe. But they're likely traps, not tunnels.